Hello guys, I am Mahesh. In this video, I will tell you how I created a sign up page which using EJS and Express Node and Node.js, which includes Firebase as database. This is my EJS file in which I created a layout for sign up. Next, this is the CSS file. Now coming to our Firebase, this is my Firebase and here is my key of my Firebase project. These are the dependencies, and here I used Express and Express router. Whenever a person, whenever a user enters his valid email ID or password and sign up, then it will be stored in the collection new users, and the data is and the out and there is a status sent by the server telling that user data is added successfully with his user ID in JSON format. When I comes to server, I open this login page in the port 501 localhost. Next, I used the body parser in order to in order to look at the request which as the and here body parser acts as the middleware. The view engine is EJS. These are the static directories which I used. The static directory which is public and the assets directory where from the public assets, and the files.css is placed in a public. I also created a session for the user whenever he or she sign up. Uh, whenever the user whenever the user clicks on sign up button, submit button, the action goes to the routes and then sign up. First, the routes comes here and the router will be enabled. Whenever the router is enabled, it goes to the router.js, and since the method is post, whenever the submit button is clicked, it goes to the server and comes to the router, and and the data the data user data is stored in the collection new users. And whenever the user is registered successfully, will enter into a new JSON file, showing user data added successfully with his user ID. Now I will show you a demo of this sign up page. I used nodemon in order to start the server. Now the server is started in 501. Let me open my server. Here is the register page. Whenever I click valid email ID, let me keep password. Now once again confirm the password. The password and the confirm password need to be same in order to enter into, in order to have the user data. Whenever I click on submit, it will redirect it to me a JSON file, showing the user data added successfully and with the user ID. Now let us go to our Firebase. Now I open my Firebase. It will take a little time. This is my project name. Now I will open my Firestore database. Here in the Firestore database, I need to search for collection new users. This is a previous user which I have signed up, and this is the current user now which I used to sign up. See the email ID I use and the password. If I sign up once again, it will show me another one. Now let me sign up again. Let me refresh the page. Now I'm giving a username as something for Mahi. Password is MHI 1234. MHI 1234. Now I click on submit. Here a new user is created and the user ID is created. Now let us go to our Firebase and check for the user. Here is the new user created and his password and the password. All the user details are stored. In this way, we can create a simple login, simple sign up page using Express, Node, and Firebase as database. Thank you.